Hey guys, Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel. I'm just here on one of Fassifern's old platform that led to the Toronto Line, Blackwell's Park in Toronto. You might be able to just see in all the grass and stuff there, there's still tracks. You can still see a little yellow line along here too. As far as I know, focus. As far as I know, Blackwell's Park and Toronto stations are still around, but who knows. I'll end up doing some research and then I'll do those vlogs for you guys. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. See you all in the next vlog. Bye for now.